पहले मैं कहती हूँ मनुष्य में कॉन्शियसनेस है ना.
First of all, I'd like to say that yes, people do agree that there is consciousness in human
उसमें
beings.
साइंस भर गई है.
And that's been filled with science.
साइंस ने जो फैलाव किया है उसमें फंस गए हैं.
But people have now got caught up with the expansion that science has brought about.
ईगो और ग्रीड बढ़ गया है.
And because of that, ego and greed has increased.
उनसे छुटकारा पाना मुश्किल हो गया है.
And it's become difficult for people to become free from that.
ऐसे रोजाना मैं मिसाल देखती हूँ.
And I see such examples every day.
उसका अभिमान बहुत है, प्राप्ति कुछ भी नहीं है.
And there's a lot of arrogance about that, but there's no attainment from it.
तो जैसे नकली चीजें हमारे पास आ जावे ढेर है, असली खत्म हो जावे ना, तो क्या हाल होगा इंसान का.
You can imagine what would be the condition of a person if they're just full of artificial things and they don't have anything of the real original things as such.
तो जिससे गरीब मनुष्य को अंदर का पता चलता है, मेरे पास असली चीज है, उसकी अंदर की आंख खुल जाती है और सच्चाई को देख झूठ छूट जाता है.
And when people come to realize that yes, what the real things are, they begin to recognize that, they recognize the truth inside the self, then they're able to let go of the falsehood within. Their inner eye
कोई भी
opens.
इंसान ऐसा नहीं होगा जो इतना न समझे सच क्या है, झूठ क्या है, पाप क्या है, पुण्य क्या है.
There isn't a single person who doesn't understand what is right and wrong, what is sin and charity, good action and bad action.
भले धर्म को न भी मानता हो, भगवान को न भी मानता हो.
Even if they don't believe in religion or God, but they still have the understanding of right and wrong.
भगवान को जानने या स्पिरिचुअलिटी में आने से सत्य को बना सकते हैं, झूठ से छूट सकते हैं.
By knowing the self, by knowing God, they're able to imbibe the truth within themselves and become free from the falsehood.
साइंस के गहराई में जाने से जो विजडम बढ़ी है, तो वो विजडम जो है ना ईगो वाली है. उसमें जो दिखाते हैं ना, सो भी ईगो पैदा होता है, लड़ाई झगड़ा ये. पर साइलेंस, इनके द्वारा आप साइलेंस दिखाओ. प्रेजेंट समय जो साइंस अपना काम कर रही है, साइलेंस दिखाओ तो लोगों को लगे अच्छा असली चीज तो ये भी हमारे अंदर है. वो बाहर की चीज दिखा रहे हैं, अंदर की चीज दिखाएंगे.
Science has progressed so much, technically advanced, and yet it's brought nothing but ego within people. It's created more ego in people, and yet using the same technical advancement that you've got, and you explore into silence with that, and you give people the experience of that silence through the technical facilities of science, people will get to realize that yes, it's possible that we have these things within ourselves, and for us to explore them further with the facilities of science.
पुराने जमाने को सामने रखो, 20वीं सदी को भी मैं शुरू को सामने रखे. मनुष्य का आधार इन बातों, न बिजली पर था न इस पर था. खाना भी खाए तो कोयले लकड़ी से खा सकता है, ये कर सकता है, सिंपल रह सकता है. मनुष्य सब चीजों का गुलाम हो गया है.
Just look back into the beginning of the 20th century. At that time we weren't so much reliant on all the facilities of science. Even electricity, the basic necessity for survival, electricity and cooking and all of that was done with wood and coal and natural things like that. And so now we see that people have become slaves to all the things that science is providing based on the technical advancement.
मनुष्य ने अपना आधार सारा इन चीजों पर रख दिया है, दुनिया के.
Like the basis of human life is on all these external things.
कल रात को कोई हंस रहे थे हमारे ऊपर.
Last night someone was laughing at Daddy.
अच्छा है तुम बुढ़े हो तो भी तुम्हारा दांत तो साबित है.
They're saying it's good that even though you're old, you at least don't have false teeth.
दांत झूठे तो नहीं डालने पड़े हैं.
At least you don't have to wear false teeth.
घड़ी घड़ी चश्मा चला के ऐसे तो नहीं देखना पड़ता है.
You don't have to rely on glasses to be able to see everything.
घड़ी घड़ी ऐसे तो नहीं, पाँव को देखना पड़ता है, हाथ को देखना पड़ता है.
not being so lame and crippled even in old age that you have to be
हिलते रहते
concerned
हैं,
about
दिल
your
ऐसे
hands
सोचती
and
रहती है, ये
feet.
तो नहीं होता है.
Not that your hands are trembling because of old age shaking.
ये साइलेंस पावर है ना.
It's because of the power of silence that she has such ability.
उठ सकते मास्टर मालिक है ना.
I'm the master. I have that power in myself.